So it's another exciting beginning of the year. We've got 46 interns starting at Toowoomba Hospital this year, which is our largest number ever. 10 of those are rural generalist trainees, which is really exciting. They're going to be doing general terms through their first 2 years with us and then hopefully stay on and do a registrar training year as well. This year the interns start not only in Toowoomba but in quite a few other places. So they start in Toowoomba Hospital as well as Toowoomba General Practices. We have a couple of rural general practices in Clifton and Goondiwindi where interns are lucky enough to work this year as well. And 2 of our rural centres, Warwick and Stanthorpe Hospital, also have 2 of our interns each, which give really good general experiences for the interns in terms of working both in the ward and in the emergency department as well.
So I'm from Brisbane via Sydney. I did medical school at the University of Notre Dame in Sydney. I did my final year in Ballarat and I really enjoyed that. Coming home to Queensland was a big attraction, and Toowoomba being rural, similar to Ballarat as well. I've got a background in paediatric occupational therapy, so paediatrics is an area of interest, but excited just for the year in general.
I came from Roma, grew up in the bush, so when I finished training as a med student, I wanted to come back to the bush, and Toowoomba was the option that's closer to home, where I'd like to end up being a GP. I'm looking forward to being in Toowoomba and just getting involved in the patient care and having a bit more hands-on than we have in the past as students. So.
I was at a bit of a rural hospital, bit of a small hospital in my clinical years, and I just loved it. My partner's from a rural background and he really wanted to stay rural as well. I like that it's a smaller place and you get to know everybody, a bit more hands-on, but also that you still get to see a lot of really amazing things and a bit more access to the community as well. I'm really excited to be part of the community.